friend of mine. She's an awesome producer. And if you need your computers repaired, she's dope, trust me. Hit me up with information, I'll give you all her information. But she's about to update my MPCX. We're gonna put a, we're not gonna put a terabyte in there yet, but we're gonna put one in there that's able to, you know, hold some of my sounds, so, you know, we'll be able to do some sort of work. So check this.
All right, so we're gonna place your SSD drive onto the data cable here, and this one is compatible with this drive, so you're gonna make sure that you match up the data cable slots to what's on the drive. So you want to make sure you match them up. Then you're gonna gently slide it in until you hear it click. All right, then you're gonna gently put it in because you don't want to rip any cables. Kind of push the cabling in there. All right, and then we're going to replace the screws in just so.
MPCX HD. So there's the hard drive, you guys, right there. MPCX HD. That's the one that we put in as an extra drive. And Chris, like I said, Chris put that in for me.
And I do Mac work, been doing it for almost 20 years now. I'm certified.